Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those who are new to our channel, we provide insights on various aspects of house construction. Do stay tuned for regular updates. In today's video, we'll have a look at the floor plan walkthrough of a 3-bedroom house. This house has 2 floors and a total area of 2,138 square feet or 198 square meters. This is an east-facing house and was done in flat roof. As mentioned earlier, this has a total area of 2,138 square feet, of which 1,232 square feet is in the ground floor and 906 square feet is in the first floor. This house was constructed 45 centimeters above the ground level. Come, let's have a look at the plan in detail. We'll have a plan walkthrough at first and then we'll have a look at the completed house. As soon as you enter through the gate, you see a 3.6 meter by 1.6 meter sit-out. Adjacent to the sit-out, there is a car porch of size 3.3 meters by 4.42 meters. Pillars are provided at the 2 corners of the car porch. From the sit-out, you enter the house through the main door. The main door is made of teak wood. The drawing room is rectangular in shape with dimensions 3.4 by 3.8 meters. The area of the drawing room is 139 square feet. There are 2 French windows in the drawing room. One window has 3 panes that open into the sit-out and the other is a single pane window which opens into the car porch. You can place the sofa here and a TV unit on the opposite wall. There is a puja room which has a direct visibility from the entrance. The puja has been designed as a separate room with designer double doors. There is a dining area with a separate wash unit. The highlight of this dining area is an external courtyard which measures 2.1 meters by 2.1 meters. In this plan, the courtyard has been constructed inside the house with windows, but you can also treat this as an external sit-out with a door from the dining area. Adjacent to the dining area is the kitchen. The area of the kitchen in this house is 142 square feet with dimensions as shown. It has a U-shaped worktop. There is provision to place the hob, the sink and the refrigerator in such a way to attain the perfect working triangle without being obstructed by the traffic through the kitchen. There are 2 windows in the kitchen. Next to the kitchen is a work area of dimensions 1.68 by 3.4 meters. There is an L-shaped worktop and a large 3-pane window in the work area. There is also separate provision for a washing machine in the work area. The exit door from the work area leads you to the exterior of the house. There is 1 bedroom in the ground floor. There are 3 windows in the bedroom providing excellent ventilation and lighting. There is 1 large wall where the cupboards can be installed. The size of the bedroom is 141 square feet. There is a double L-shaped staircase that takes you from the dining area to the first floor. There is provision for storage under this staircase. You ascend the staircase and reach a large upper living area. There are 2 large windows on opposite sides of the upper living area. There are also 2 large open terraces. This makes this upper living area extremely well lit and well ventilated. There are 2 bedrooms on the first floor. The master bed has a size of 184 square feet. There are 2 windows on the opposite sides of the room providing excellent light and ventilation. There is also a separate walk-in closet area and toilet attached. In case you do not require the walk-in closet, you can remove that and convert the entire space into a large bathroom. The second bedroom on the first floor is of the same area as that of the ground floor, that is 141 square feet. Here again there is a dressing area and a toilet. Now let's have a look at what the plan looks like when the house is constructed. If you would like to watch more videos related to floor plans, please check out the links here or on the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon with yet another house construction video. Bye.